Hey folks, today I've got a story that bridges the past and the present in a way that might just make you rethink what you know about identity and citizenship in America. This story is not just a historical recount, but a reflection on how far we've come and how far we still have to go. Let's rewind to March 6th, 1857. The United States was a nation divided, and the Supreme Court was about to make a decision that would send shockwaves through the country. This decision would not only affect the lives of those living in that era, but would also resonate through the centuries. This was the infamous Dred Scott case. Dred Scott was an enslaved African-American man who had lived in free states and territories with his owner. His journey through these free lands gave him hope and a belief that he deserved freedom. He believed that his time spent in these free areas made him a free man. This belief was not just a personal conviction, but a challenge to the very fabric of American law and society. So he took his fight for freedom all the way to the Supreme Court. This was a bold and courageous move, considering the times and the prevailing attitudes towards African Americans. Chief Justice Roger B. Taney delivered the court's opinion. He stated that African Americans, whether free or enslaved, could not be American citizens. This ruling was a stark reminder of the systemic racism embedded in the legal system. According to Taney, they had no rights to vote, travel freely, or marry. This decision stripped away the basic human rights and dignity of an entire group of people. It was a devastating blow to the abolitionist movement and to anyone who believed in equality and justice. The ruling underscored the immense challenges that lay ahead for those fighting for civil rights. Fast forward to the 21st century. On the Tom Joyner Morning Show, President Barack Obama, the first African-American president of the United States, was greeted by Tom Joyner with, "It's our first black president of the United States." Obama's response was as thought-provoking as it was surprising. He said, "Tom, I don't look at myself as the first black president because the word black has no standing at law." Now, what did Obama mean by that? His statement was not just a casual remark, but a deep reflection on the complexities of racial identity in America. Well, he was touching on something profound: the concept of legal identity and how it has been used to both include and exclude people throughout American history. The term black as a legal identity has been a complex and often contentious issue in American history. It has been a label that has carried both stigma and strength, a symbol of both oppression and resilience. From the Dred Scott decision to the civil rights movement, the struggle for recognition and equality has been ongoing. Each generation has had to fight its own battles to redefine what it means to be an American. Obama's comment highlights that while society may see him as the first black president, the legal framework that once denied African Americans their rights has evolved. Yet this evolution is a testament to the relentless efforts of countless individuals who fought for change. But it also serves as a reminder that the fight for equality is far from over. The journey towards true equality is ongoing, and each of us has a role to play in it. In a way, Obama was acknowledging that identity goes beyond labels. It's about the rights and freedoms that come with citizenship, something that Dred Scott was unjustly denied. It's about the rights and freedoms that come with citizenship, something that Dred Scott was unjustly denied. His case serves as a poignant reminder of the importance of legal recognition and the human cost of its absence. So what can we take away from this? Understanding our history, including the painful parts, helps us appreciate the progress we've made and recognize the work that still needs to be done. Understanding our history, including the painful parts, helps us appreciate the progress we've made and recognize the work that still needs to be done. It's a call to action for all of us to continue striving for a more just and equal society. It's a call to action for all of us to continue striving for a more just and equal society. Each step forward is built on the sacrifices and struggles of those who came before us. Thanks for tuning in, folks. If you found this topic as fascinating as I do, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into history and current events. See you next time.